I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. So today I have my top beauty finds of 2025 and I will really try to stick to just 10 or max 15. So before I start, can you guess how much I paid for this jacket? So yeah, how much I paid for this jacket? The answer will shock you. I'll tell you in the end. Now let's start with this one. I know you must be tired of me talking about this, but I love this. This is Bioderma Serum Keratin and no product. I have said million times, I know, but I'll say it again. No product has worked as good as on my breakouts like this. It has 1.8% salicylic acid, 10% malic acid ester, and I'm so glad I found this. I simply love this. For my breakouts, when I get texture skin, it works so well. So this is my favorite find from this year. And if your skin is allergic to fragrance, I don't know if it's gonna work for you or not because it has fragrance and the fragrance is not that mild. It's there, you can smell it quite. But I love this one. I know I'm being repetitive right now, but if I have breakouts, texture skin, this actually helps. This is a gem that I found. So next I have this cleansing oil and cleansing balm. For cleansing oil, I have one very affordable option that is from Minimalist, their Marula oil cleanser. This is a good cleansing oil, to be very honest. I love Sugandha's cleansing oil, but that can be expensive because you get 50 ml for 500 rupees. I think now they have increased the price, but this Minimalist one is quite affordable. You're gonna get 100 ml and sometimes they give a little bit tiny bit discount. And if you're looking for a cleansing balm, Althea's this grinding cleansing balm is so good. I know this is expensive, but this is so worth it. The formula is so good. If you use waterproof makeup, it removes just like that. It's so easy to work with. The packaging is so convenient. If you're traveling, it's gonna come so handy. So these are very good first cleansers if you're looking for one. Third thing would be Ayurvedic body oils, and I have used them before, but this year I have been using those things more consistently and I'm loving these things. I have made videos on this, many videos, not many, but yeah. So yeah, these are such a good things, before taking shower I use not always because sometimes I get lazy, so I use Nalpa Maradi or Iladi oil. Then I found this ghee soap that is so good. The ghee soap, the smell is so mild and it is so gentle on my skin and it doesn't dry out my skin at all. So what I do, I use this body oil like Iladi or Narma Maradi before shower. Then I use this ghee soap when I'm in shower and yeah, my skin feels so good. Also, there are so many after shower body oils as well. I made this video here. You might find this to be helpful. But Iladi and Narma Maradi, they can stain because of this turmeric in the formula. They won't stain your skin. When you're gonna wash, your skin is gonna go away. But if you touch any white cloth or light colored cloth, then it's gone. So be careful. Okay, next I have this face skin tint. This is such a good skin tint. My favorite used to be Pixie skin tint. That is still, I love it. That is more like a water-based formula, more light. But this is so good as well. It gives my skin better finish with this dewy glow, which I really like. Also, they have so many shades. And if you compare this with Pixie, like price-wise, this is affordable. I love the packaging as well. This is so cute. And yeah, very good launch from Faye Beauty. Love, love, love this skin tint. If you want to try one skin tint, go for this. Very good option. Also, this cushion foundation is so good from Tinted. I have tried the red one as well, but I like this one more because it's more natural. It feels so skin-like and it's great for everyday use, this one. The red one has more matte formula and that gives full coverage, but this one is more skin-like. And it's just your skin but better kind of vibe, which I really like. And my shade is 21N Ivory. Loving this cushion foundation. I think this is the best cushion foundation I've tried this year. Okay, next I have two lip tints. One is from Muzige. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. So they have this object water tint. They have another tint. That one I did not like that much, but that object water tint, so lightweight, does not transfer once it is dry. Try the color Spicy, so pretty color and love the formulation. Long lasting, love it. And another is News, their lip tints. they have very different texture for this lip tint. Something like gel, and it feels so airy on the lips. The color payoff is not that top notch, but why I love this so much, because the formula is so perfect for my lips but better kind of a vibe, because it just feels like it's my lips. I don't feel like I have applied anything at all. And the colors are like, you won't get like different, like very hatke, very unique colors. The colors are mostly pink, to be very honest. But I love this because if you know me, I mostly apply pink and red. So for me, it's perfect. When I want that my lips but better kind of a thing, I go for that, because I have not tried any lip balm like this, like gel, kind of gel texture. It feels like very, I can't describe. Once you try, you'll know, because I have tried many lip tints but nothing quite like this formula. But again, I'm telling you, the color payoff is not that high, to be very honest. You're looking for a very natural kind of a look, go for this. Also, I'm gonna mention one blush as well, very natural, that is from this brand. I forgot the name. I totally forgot the name. So I'll leave the name right here. They have this serum blush. Hood. Not Hood. The name of the brand is Hood. If you want natural and serum like blush, go for their blushes. They have good color options. Very, very good. Don't buy the big size. You won't be able to finish it, to be very honest. Get the small one. Though, like, they don't have much price difference for that small and the big size, but the big one comes with pump, so it's very difficult to, like, get the quantity you want, because you don't need much. And that small one comes with this polish kind of a thing, and that is easier to use according to me, to be very honest. And also I have another blush, that is Pixie PH blush. Very good. If you want that natural kind of a pink glow, go for that blush. But I think it's out of stock right now. If I find it, I'm gonna tag it. But yeah, if you want a natural kind of a flush, go for that Pixie PH blush. Very good pink blush, and gives very nice glow as well. Next I have Milky Toner, and for that I have Thank You Farmer Milky Toner, their rice toner. If you want brightening hydrating toner, go for that. It has rice, it has niacinamide I think as well. And if you want a little bit more light formula, then go for Plump, and that is more barrier repairing, this Plum one, and very easy to use because it has spray applicator. So these two Milky toners are really, really good, and it is a very good time to try Milky Toner because it's cold right now, and Milky Toners can be really good for skincare prep, makeup prep. So yeah, these two are really good. There are many good Milky Toners out there. I can make one entire video on that, but if I have to pick two, then yeah, these two are really good. Okay, next I have something for well aging, and this is One Thing Peptide Cream, retinol and peptide cream. This is so good. One Thing has come up with really good products, and I don't see much hype around them. They deserve a lot of hype because their stuff are really good. Their glow line, awesome. Their well aging line, amazing. If you want something for well aging, for like firming, to target your fine lines, get this. The texture of this cream is so good, like I love this. And they also have this serum also from same line. This is also very nice. They also have one glow line that is also awesome if you have dull skin, pigmentation, that can help you out. And another moisturizer I'm loving is this Ashura moisturizer. This is so good if you have weak skin barrier, if you want something with ceramide, if you have compromised skin barrier, this is gonna help you a lot. Very good moisturizer. Also, Minimalist has come up with their pink moisturizer that is quite soothing, and I tried one oat moisturizer from Dr. Seth's. That was also quite nice, quite affordable, but the formula is very good, but quite underrated, that one. I don't see much people talking about this, but that formula is really, really good. I have tried so many good moisturizers actually. It's very difficult for me to pick just two or three. I'll make one entire video on moisturizers because it's been a long time since I have done that. And if you want multi-purpose ointment, go for Palmer's Coca Balm. They have this big jar, very good. You can use this for your body, for your lips. For winter, it's a good thing. Also, they have this stick, moisture stick, for traveling or just everyday moisturization makes easy with that moisture stick. And also I found this Vaseline Coco. The video is getting long now, it's not even 15 now, I think it's 20, so I'm gonna have to stop somewhere. But yeah, this Vaseline Coco jar, very good. I use this for my feet, for my hands, lips, very good stuff. And then I have lastly fragrance, and I'm loving, I'm loving that Nika caramel fragrance. I have finished that. I'm gonna buy it again. Also that cherry scent from this gourmand line is very good. The caramel smells very warm, caramelized vanilla, sugar, very sweet. Love it. The cherry is more mysterious and sultry, but this caramel one is very sweet. It's like super sweet. Also, I found this lately and I got it for 45% off from Myntra. This is so good. If you want white floral with vanilla, go for this. It stays for such a long time and the projection is very good. So if you enter in a room, before you come, the people will know you're coming by your scent. So yeah, there are my like top things from this year. Also, I love this maple serum from Claire's. There are other things as well, but yeah, these are the things. I'm so happy that I found these things. So yeah, let me know the things that worked for you and things that did not. Also, the price of this one is 100 rupees. I got it from Darjeeling. So yeah, thank you so much for being there. And we are going towards a brand new year. Wish you all the happiness, love, success, peace. I hope life treats you kindly. And I'm so happy to have you here. Thank you so much for being there. And I hope next year brings all the good things to us. So yeah, thank you so much for being there. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.
तो ट्रांसफर कौन करता है?
আছে ও তো আলাদা করে হবে হুম কাজ করে তারপরে খেলবো দাঁড়া